This is the summary of chapters 4, 5, and 6 of Great Expectations. On chapter 4, Pip arrives to London and there he meets another guy called Herbert. They become friends and Pip discovers that Herbert also knows Miss Havisham. And in a dinner, Herbert tells to Pip Miss Havisham's story. There was a man and Miss Havisham fell in love with this man. They were going to get married, but this man didn't love Miss Havisham. He was only using her because of her money. This is why this man abandoned Miss Havisham and she adopted Estella to herd all men. Days after this dinner, Herbert and Pip goes to Herbert's father's house, and there Pip meets Drummle and Startup, that are another guys. Drummle was a bad guy and Startup was a nice guy. One day, Mr. Jaggers, that is the lawyer, invites Pip, Herbert, Drummle, and Startup to have dinner with him. In this dinner, we can see that Mr. Jaggers is so interested in Drummle, that is the bad guy, and we don't know why. On chapter 5, Pip goes to a meeting at Miss Havisham's house, and in this meeting, Pip meets Estella, who is older and prettier. After this meeting, Pip goes back to London, and also Estella goes to London because she has to meet important people. One day, Pip was with Herbert, and a letter arrived. This letter said that Pip's sister passed away and was an invitation to her funeral. On chapter 6, Pip goes to the funeral, and after the funeral, Biddy, that is a friend of Pip's, tells him that Orlik, who is a bad guy, is watching her and she don't know why. Pip wants to help her, but she doesn't let him. Days after this funeral, Pip has a meeting at Miss Havisham's house, and in this meeting, Miss Havisham and Estella have a big fight. Years passed, and Pip is 21 years old, and Mr. Jaggers tells Pip that he is receiving £500 per year. 2 years later, Pip is living with Herbert in another place, and someone visits Pip. The one who visits Pip is the convict that he helped years ago when Pip was a child. And this convict starts to tell all Pip's history.